Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa is now facing an open rebellion. BJP MLA Basana Gowda Yatnal has said that the Yediyurappa's days as a Chief Minister of Karnataka are now numbered. He said that even the BJP High Command is fed up with the Chief Minister. Yatnal went on to say that they got a grant of 125 crore rupees and B.S. Yediyurappa ended up taking it all. He alleged that the only focus of B.S. Yediyurappa is Shimoga. BJP MLA Yatnal also cited Prime Minister Modi's statement where he had said that successor of Yediyurappa will be from North Karnataka. However, Karnataka BJP spokesperson has said that B.S. Yediyurappa is the tallest leader of the state and there is no question of change in leadership.
ಇನ್ನೇನು ಅವ್ರೇನು ಭಾಳ ದಿವಸ ಸುರೋದಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಬಂದೈತಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿನವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಾಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅವರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮನೆ ಉಮೇಶ್ ಕತ್ತಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಯೋ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಮುಂದಿಂದ ಏನಾದ ಉತ್ತರಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದವ್ರನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಾಗ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಅವ್ರೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಇಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಹಮ್ ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ से येडियुरप्पा के बाद करेंगे
Mr. Yatnal is a very respectable political leader, but he is known to have been coming out with off-the-cuff remarks without even thinking about it. The issue of leadership in Karnataka is a settled issue. In fact, he is the tallest leader in Karnataka as far as the BJP is concerned. And BJP is comfortable and confident that under his leadership, Karnataka will face all the problems and challenges and will go back to polls under his leadership. In fact, a month ago, a similar issue had come out and we had very clearly clarified this issue that there is no question of change of leadership. If there is a person like Mr. Yatnal, whom I respect, if he has come out his personal opinion, I don't think as a national political party we will react to it.
Nolan Pinto is now joining us live for the latest on the story. Nolan, the Nataka in Karnataka, all that drama never fails to amuse anybody, whether it was the JDS and Congress alliance which was in power or now it is the B.S. Yediyurappa government and the BJP in the power. There is always some sort of drama going on as far as Karnataka politics is concerned, Nolan, and this one is the latest that the Chief Minister is facing rebellion from his own party members now.
Well, in fact, the Chief Minister has always been facing some sort of rebellion right since the time the government was set up. And the reason is filling the cabinet berths. In fact, there are still minister posts or cabinet berths that are vacant, and many BJP leaders themselves have been requesting the Chief Minister that it should be filled at the earliest so that especially those who are senior in the party like Umesh Katti and many others should get a chance. Now, we'll also remember that before the corona crisis actually and the pandemic hit the nation, letters were actually sent over here talking against the Chief Minister, seeking a change. This was all basically pressure tactics on the High Command and also on Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa in order to fill the cabinet berths. But when someone is talking about change of leadership, yes, on and off you have senior leaders talking about a change in leadership. But over here, the Karnataka BJP has very clearly stated that Yediyurappa, B.S. Yediyurappa will remain the Chief Minister and complete his term. We do not know what might happen later, but the BJP High Command clearly knows that they have also had to face problems in the past. When they touched B.S. Yediyurappa, they do know what really happened. So our sources tell us that for the time being, that topic will not be touched, at least for the next few months.
All right, leave it at that. Nolan, thanks so much for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.